They got a whole waiver right here before you even go up.
You should be right there.
Dinner in the Sky, Bahamas. I acknowledge the risk. I acknowledge that participating involves inherent risk, including heights, crane operations, wind, and platform movement. I voluntarily assume all risks associated with this activity. Bro. Chat. 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 Chat.
Hey, hold on, bro. He's finna stand.
Wait, I got a question though. How are we late? So it's only a seatbelt is what's...
Yeah.
That's it. So I can just take the seatbelt off?
No, you can't. You have to unstrap. You can't unstrap yourself. He shouldn't or he can't?
That's it right here. No, you sit right here. Sit right here.